Avocado is a nutritious and delicious food that offers many health benefits. Some of the most notable benefits of avocado include heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight management. Avocados are high in fiber and healthy fats, which can help you feel full for longer and prevent overeating. Good for digestion. Avocados are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health and can help prevent constipation. Rich in nutrients. Avocados are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin C, K, and B6, and folate. Anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Eye health. Avocados are rich in carotenoids, particularly lutein, which is important for eye health and can help protect against age-related macular degeneration. Healthy skin. Avocados contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and other nutrients that can help keep skin looking young and healthy. Overall, incorporating avocados into your diet can have a positive impact on your health and well-being. Just be mindful of portion size, as avocados are high in calories. Avocados can be damaged by a variety of factors, which can affect their flavor, texture, and overall quality. Some common causes of damage to avocados include overripe avocados. If an avocado is left to ripen for too long, it can become mushy, spoil, and develop an off taste. Physical damage. If an avocado is dropped or subjected to rough handling, it can become bruised and develop a soft, mushy spot. Environmental factors. Exposure to high temperatures, direct sunlight, and extreme temperature fluctuations can cause avocados to ripen unevenly or become damaged. Pests and disease. Avocado trees are susceptible to a variety of pests and diseases, including root rot, powdery mildew, and avocado sunblotch, which can all cause damage to the fruit. Poor storage. Avocados are sensitive to temperature and humidity and should be stored in a cool, dark place. If they are not stored properly, they can become damaged or spoil more quickly. In general, it's best to handle avocados with care, store them properly, and consume them before they become overripe. If you suspect that an avocado is damaged or has gone bad, it's best to discard it to prevent the risk of foodborne illness. Thanks for watching. To subscribe.